Jimmie Prewett's health was deteriorating.
I couldn't breathe. I would wake up at night puffing, trying to get my breath, and it just kept gradually getting worse.
The issue was with his mitral valve, which is like a door that controls blood flow in the heart.
And so what had happened is one of the tethers had ruptured or torn.
Blood was traveling backwards in the heart into his lungs. Prewett spends half the year in Illinois, but he felt most comfortable at Lee Health.
My doctor told me to come to him, and that's what I did.
He flew back to Fort Myers so Dr. Nabeel Memon could perform a minimally invasive TEER procedure without needing any chest incisions.
It's essentially like putting in an IV in the groin, into a vein in the groin, sending catheters up to the heart, steering a device on the valve, and restoring the valve to its original function by putting a clip on it so it can function back to its normal state.
The surgery was a success, and Prewett felt the difference immediately.
He said it would be real easy, and it looked bad to me, but it came out good.
You can learn more by visiting leehealth.org/heart. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.